Make a great choice today with the 2019 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, security system, fog lights. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.